Hi everyone, my name is JoJo, better known as Joseph Harwood, and I have been a celebrity makeup artist and creative director for over 10 years. I'm so excited that over Pride season, I've been able to partner with both NYX and the wonderful new platform Retrieve on a Masterclass series, which is a rare thing for me because I keep my secrets hidden. I'm so excited to be sharing you how filters have changed our perspective of beauty and how to recreate them in makeup. There are 6 looks that all contain information about how to create those effects that you would see in a filter, but in reality. I can't wait for you guys to enjoy them. I don't give you them as tutorials. I explain the process of creativity, which is something that I think is rare to find these days. People love the before and after, but they want to know the process, so that's what I've given you. Thank you so much, NYX. Thank you, Retrieve. Retrieve is a brand new platform that combines elements of Patreon, OnlyFans, the YouTube that we love and have been on for over 10 years. And I can't wait to share it all with you. Please enjoy the tutorials and let me know what you think. You can also find me at Joseph Harwood everywhere and my work at josephharwood.com.